Stomp your foot. Stomp your foot.
Yeah.
Good job. Spin in a circle. Now clap your hand. Oh, she didn't touch her toes. I taught her that yesterday. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Ah!
Good girl.
I taught you that yesterday. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, Kylie. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Touch your toe. Touch your toes.
No, she's not going to do it.
Stop.
Knock on the door and see if Grandpa's out there. Go knock on the door. Is Grandpa out there? Knock on the door. You're being a little ham. Go knock on the door. See if Grandpa's out in the garage. Is Grandpa out in the garage? Go knock on the door.
Oh no, here comes the squeezing.
Knock on the door.
Knock on the door, see if Grandpa's out there.
Knock on the door. Say, Grandpa, are you out here? See if Grandpa's out there. Look at Mommy and do that. Do it to her so she doesn't.
Kylie, hey, look at me. Hey, Kylie. Come show me how. Come show Mommy.
To Mama.
Come show Mommy. Come here. Come here.
Show Mommy.
You're being a goofball. Do it again. Hey, come here.
I wonder if that, like, hurt.
I don't know.
Does that hurt you to do that? Go knock on the door.
Knock on the door.
Say, Grandpa, are you out here?
Yeah. Grandpa,
out there.
knock on the door.
Knock on the door. Say, Grandpa, come in. Knock on the door. On the door, honey. That's the wall.
Right there, Kylie. Right there. On the door.
Knock on the door. Say, Grandpa, get in here.
Knock on the door.
That a girl, yeah.
Good job.
Knock on the door.
Can you open it? Stamp your foot. Clap your hands. How old are you? Hey, Kylie. How old are you? Are you 1? Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Bye. You're not very talkative today. I see your underpants. Hey, Kylie. Hi. Can you smile for me? Smile. Kylie. Can you say bye? Bye.